I finally landed the shore on the main island of Pulau Besar, Malacca. It has been 2.5 hours kayaking with the assistance of the sail. The wind was not very friendly as the winds come from the real directions, and it does not give me much of the advantage of getting more speed. The rudder was not properly fitted, and I'm not able to utilize the rudder. The usage of the oars, the hand paddle, very much reduced in terms of the speed of the kayak, and that takes me about 2 hours to land on this mainland Pulau Besar, Malacca. This is a beautiful island. Now I'm in the eastern part of Pulau Besar. After this, I will continue my rolling to the western side of Pulau Besar. Over there, you can see couples of Indonesian fishermen putting up the net. Yep, and the island on the that you're looking now is Pulau Serimbun, which is a very small island, a rocky small island. And I did not initially I thought I would like to land it on the island, but I did not because I'm afraid that there isn't any source of fresh water. So after this, I will be going to source for some fresh water. And here you can see the Malacca town from Pulau Besar on the eastern beach. I started my route from here, and I'm across the sea on the Pulau Besar Island. That is how far that I have came across 2.5 hours. The storm has just passed the Pulau Besar, Malacca, and it's a continuous rain at this point of time. I'm fully soaked with rainwater, and this is a blessing in disguise because it has been very sticky because of the seawater. Now with this rainwater, I get a free shower in the tropical jungle. And right now I'm inside a camp and just prepare myself to sleep until the next morning. Good morning, today is 23rd December, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Just noticed the water has risen up to this boundary, and I have to pull the kayak up to the inward in such position, otherwise it will be drifted away before I realize it. It's very fresh air over here. Many of the jungle in Pulau Besar. And I'm glad I stayed one of the nights. It's peaceful. It was very cold. It's raining all the while. The wave is pounding heavily onto the beach. It looks like the weather conditions are very well. A lot of clouds, raining clouds, cumulonimbus in the sky, and this has been almost submerged All those stones that I saw yesterday are all submerged. The height of tide here is, I believe, is at least 4 meters, and the current is pretty strong. This is Pulau Swimming Pool. It's a small island to the eastern part of Pulau Besar. That's the formation of the beach.